ओमिक्रॉन वेरिएंट कारण पैदा होए तोखलियां दे चलदियां कनेडा वालों अपनी वैक्सीन बूस्टर स्ट्रैटेजी का मुलांकन किया जा रहा है। फेडरल सरकार वालों ट्रैवल संबंधी लाइयां पाबंदियां की सूची च नवे देशों को शामिल किया जा रहा है ते कनेडा च बाहरों आने वाले सारे एयर ट्रैवलर्स लई नवीं टेस्टिंग शर्तां लागू कीतियां जा रही ने।
Thank you for being there today. There's been a lot in the news recently about COVID-19, and we want to provide an update to you Canadians on what we know about the situation and what we are doing to respond to it. Dr. Tam and Dr. New will provide soon further remarks on the global epidemiological situation. But for now, let me focus on our response. I'll be speaking about three immediate measures that we're announcing and implementing today. We are announcing today is that all air travelers coming from outside Canada, apart from the United States, will now need to be tested at the airport in which they are landing in Canada, whether they are vaccinated or unvaccinated. They will then need to isolate themselves until they get the result of their test. Obviously, those that come to Canada and are not vaccinated from anywhere in the world need to do a quarantine of 14 days, as it has always been the case, and do a test both on day 1 and on day 8.
As we've been saying from the start, the COVID-19 pandemic can change rapidly. And when it does, our government continues to take unprecedented action to protect the health and safety of all Canadians by introducing measures to prevent COVID-19 and new variants of the virus from being introduced and spread in Canada. We already have implemented layers of protective measures at our borders, including vaccination requirements, pre-departure PCR testing, and mandatory random testing. Today, to confront the Omicron challenge, we are taking additional action to prevent further importation and spread. Canadians and permanent residents who have been to any of the 10 countries that Minister Duclos listed, even those who are fully vaccinated, must be tested before entering Canada. Starting tonight, these tests cannot have been administered in any of the countries the minister named. This means that Canadians will need to stop and obtain valid results in a third country before entering Canada. Upon entering Canada, these travelers with a right of entry will be tested again and required to wait in a designated quarantine facility until the result of their day 1 test result is known.